Hi, this is Aiden N Rizen's toy unboxing channel, and today we're going to be unboxing a Super Geek subscription box. So let's begin. This is the inside of the Super Geek Box. First is Dorbx Series 2 Marvel Series 1 vinyl collectible, and it's Iron Man.
I like Iron Man. Aiden, I like Iron Man. Aiden.
This is like a T-shirt that says "Sure You Can" with a boxing character.
Aiden, I don't want to buy something. What is it?
This is a like a button. Super Geek Box January 2016 versus it has Superman, Captain America, Iron Man, and Batman.
I'm easy. What's in there? Wow!
This is DC Comics original minis collectible figures, and it has one surprise figure inside.
Aiden.
Oh.
There. Whoa. It's a Batman. It's Batman. I say Batman. I like Batman. So yeah, Batman. That Batman. Batman. It's a Batman. A Batman.
This is Batman.
I tell you, Batman.
This is a Super Geek Box blue shell keychain. The perks of being in second place. I don't know which turtle this is. I know it's like one of the explosion. It chases them and it explodes, I think. This is a temporary tattoo. And this is a poster that says "We can do it." It's like the T-shirt. This is a flyer for the Super Geek Box.
And then I'll see. Wow, that's so true.
We'll do more. So, Super Geek subscription boxes in the future. So please like, share, and subscribe to Aiden N Rizen's Toy Unboxing channel. Bye.
Bye.